references on that in a minute, as well as some of the other references, ISO standards on risk assessment, such as ANSI B11 TR3, ANSI Z10, and management systems, etc. The other thing that I really wanted to make part of this, and we get questions all the time, is, well, what's the real purpose of doing risk assessment? Well, the real purpose is to make sure you deal with risk management and eventually deal with risk minimization. So the bottom line is this kind of process, risk assessment, is not a standalone. Risk management and risk minimization are the purposes and reasons why you do risk assessment. So risk assessment is not going to be a one-time thing. Certainly you'll set up your baseline, but the risk assessment is part of an overall risk management process. So those are going to be the three major themes for today's presentation. In addition, we will have some specific learning objectives. For example, what are the drivers behind a risk assessment? What are the requirements based on OCS 18000 and ANSI Z10? What are some risk definitions and risk matrices that we've seen used out there? We'll take a look at a methodology for risk assessment, figure out how that applies to risk management and risk reduction strategies. And then we're also going to talk about how do you develop leading metrics. What are some examples of leading metrics to help someone manage a risk management program? What are the metrics you can show to management to help them manage and reduce risks?